In this video, we're going to teach you how to open your chakras like a badass.
This is the chakra information you need.
Plus, stay to the end for a secret weapon to discover your personal chakra identity.
I'm Heather.
And I'm David
From ZenRoseGarden.com.
Yes. Helping people create
badass lives.
Let's get started.
A lot of people want to shortcut the process of unblocking their chakras, but there is no shortcut. You've got to do the work of unblocking the emotional muck that is specific to each chakra.
There is no quick fix. There is no magic pill that is going to make this process happen like that. You've got to put in the work.
You want to be a spiritual warrior.
So our challenge to you, if you want to be a spiritual warrior, is to be a badass and face what you have to face and stop piling fluff on top of it. So let's get to it.
Number 1, the root chakra. The root chakra is about survival. What typically blocks the root chakra is fear.
So you have to take a look at what you're afraid of. So when we're talking about the root chakra, look at what you're afraid of, face that fear, and then figure out how to work through the fear to find your survival.
Number 2, the sacral chakra, which is about pleasure. Now, what blocks the sacral chakra is some form of guilt.
So what in your life have you ever felt guilty about? Face that piece and that part and overcome that to find your center to clear that block.
So a good question to ask your sacral chakra is, what am I still blaming myself for? That might be a lead-in question to get you to the root of that guilt. Work through it and eliminate it. Number 3.
Solar plexus chakra. This is the center of willpower.
The emotional muck that blocks the solar plexus chakra is shame.
So take a moment and ask yourself, when have you ever felt disappointed in yourself? Not good enough, haven't achieved, whatever it happens to be, and that can be the opening to look at what blocks that particular chakra.
Number 4, the heart chakra, which is all about love.
Aww.
The emotional muck that blocks the heart chakra is grief.
So what is it that you're still mourning? Ask yourself that question, and that can be your gateway into the blocks of the heart.
Number 5 is the throat chakra, which is about truth. What blocks the throat chakra are lies.
So with this one, take a look at when you have been lying to yourself about yourself. Are you aligned with the inside and the outside? Is your truth being expressed to the world around you?
Where in your life are you not being true to your true nature?
And that's a great gateway to get into those particular blocks.
Number 6, the third eye chakra, which is about insight, clarity, and vision. What blocks this chakra is the illusion that you are alone, that we are separate, that we are not together and united, and we don't have help.
So a great question to ask yourself for this gateway would be to ask yourself when in your life you felt alone or abandoned or not a part of some part of your life. That's a great question that gets you started into figuring out what's blocking this area.
Number 7, the crown chakra, which is about cosmic consciousness.
Yes.
The emotional muck that blocks this chakra is attachment or neediness.
The great question for this particular gateway is, when have you ever been codependent in your life with yourself or relationships around you? When have you been acting needy in your life?
Saran wrap.
Yes.
Don't be saran wrap.
No.
And now it's time for the bonus tip. A healthy life. It can take a lifetime of working on your chakras to unblock the emotional muck that you've built up over the years. But in the meantime, there are several healthy practices that can help stabilize that emotional work that you are doing.
Some of these things would be healthy eating or a regular routine of exercise.
Taking up a meditation practice or a spiritual practice of some kind can really help to stabilize that work.
Another thing to keep in mind is to get plenty of rest.
Yes.
Sleep. Good sleep helps to definitely solidify the work that you're doing with your emotions.
And laughing. Laughter is one of the fastest, most wonderful ways to open up the chakras, to maintain that work, and to bring a sense of play and peace into your life.
Because even though it takes a lot of work and a lifetime to work on the issues that you've got blocking each chakra, you can do it with a lot of laughter. Laughter makes the medicine go down.
You just learned how to open your chakras like a badass.
Now it's time for that secret weapon.
We created a special quiz to help you discover your celebrity chakra identity.
Click the link in the description to get it.
Go get it.
Now, go get it.
It's Truth Bomb time.
Leave your Truth Bomb moments and any questions you have in the comments below.
If you liked this video, hit the like button.
Now think of at least 2 people that can benefit from this information and share it with anyone that comes to mind. If you're ready to take your badass life to the next level,
Be sure to subscribe
and click the bell to turn notifications on
so you're the first to know
when we drop a new video
or go live.
Thanks for watching.
And we'll see you in the next video.